Hi everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to convert PNG icon into SVG. So SVG icons, you can change the colors to whatever you want, blue, any color you get. So let's get started. So I'm going to delete these two SVGs. So the first thing we are going to do is we are going to select the image that we want to convert to SVG. The image icon we want to convert to SVG, right? And you select it and come to resources, then under plugins. Okay, so you can just search for quick tracing here, or no, me, I have it on my recent, so I don't need to search. But if you don't have it on your recent, you can just search for it. So I'm going to click here, and it's going to bring out this pop-up modal and ask that is it color tracing or outline trace. So I'm going to click on color trace, and yeah, this is it. So I'm going to do the same thing for this image, resources, then quick tracing, and I'm going to select color trace. So yeah, that's it. Sometimes when we download or copy icon from flat icons, for example, now, and you are trying to change the color and you can't change the color, you can actually change the color on what's it called, on the flat icon website. Just come to edit icon, but sometimes we like to do it on Figma to make the work faster. So I'll just copy the icon and I'm going to paste it here, right? And I will click on quick tracing, color trace, then I have it. So I can change the color to whatever I want. You see, you can even select this and change the color to white. You see, you can change the color to white, then change this one to, I don't know, maybe yellow. Yeah, so you have your colored icon. Yeah, that's it. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share this video. If you want me to do another video on something, you understand, just leave it under the comment section. I'm going to come up with a video. Yeah, that's it. Bye bye.